Please take this bus while we improve your metro. Oh, there goes a 900. Probably stand over there so I can get views at both ends. 6964. Six two two eight. Hello, Mr. Streetlight. 27 for Newcastle. There's the X900 again. Hasn't he just been through? Was it a different one? 5436. No, 8. Meets 2 on. Oh, that's a picture and a half, that, isn't it? There he goes. With a 26 for South Shields. Off goes 2-1 with a 5 for Jarrow. Seems South Shields now or something, I don't know. I'm not an expert on Jarrow. You tell me. There he goes anyway, and there's another street light's just come in by the looks of things. Right, now out 6053 with a 27. Bus stations has just got the busiest it's been all the time. Bloody hell. Could have been run over. 5 buses in now, 1 leaving. 3943. And off goes the 10 to Shields. 37302. $6954 off on the 900. Off he goes. There's another street light down there on the 5. And I've just seen a stagecoach, so I presume that's the 11 coming in as well. Which I think the 11's late. There's a 5. It's all kicking off now. Right, off goes Mr. 11. 37311. 26 is trying to leave at the same time. Letting him out first. Friendly driver. There goes your 26. There's a 27. There goes Mr. 9. $6952. $5412. 5412 with a 9. Three in 1. Right off goes the 26. $27 Zoot. Drifters out. This probably be the final bus. 10's coming. I'm going to get that back. It's a North Shields. One of the oldest surviving G&E brands to have not been modified. It's been 9 years now and that livery still looks the same.